Guys, welcome here again at Kuya Da here again, and then I'm going to show you this Asus ROG Strix laptop G17 7-inch laptop if it's upgradable. Okay, I'm going to show you the exact model here, G1713QM-HX112T. Okay, let's see if this unit is upgradable. Okay, I'm going to show you what inside. First, remove all the screw like this one, and slightly use this tool, okay, and lift the cover bottom, and be sure to remove the flex like this one. Remove here. Okay, let's set aside this one. And this is the model. What inside? This is the inside of this kind of laptop model. There's a extra long battery with a 90 watts, 90 watt, and it has a 2 RAM slot. I'm going to remove this RAM. Alright, this one is 8 GB and another 8 GB, so it has a total of 16 GB. But I'm going to upgrade this laptop into maximum into 32 GB. Yes, this one is 16 GB with the 3200 frequency. Okay, and you can put another SSD here. This one is the 1 TB SSD NVMe. You can put another 1 TB NVMe also. And look at the dual fan ventilation, and there's a high quality standard pipe. Five pipes. Okay, so that's all. Now you know that this laptop is upgradable, so you can purchase at the nearest Asus concept store in your area. Okay guys, subscribe and don't forget Kuya Da. Alright, bye bye.